the city, bro. This is the 6, bro. That's 6.
Continue on Muskoka District Road 2 for 5 kilometers.
It's amazing, guys, amazing. It's better than a roller coaster. There's a Pakistan road, yeah.
Not bad. No,
Oh, jeez. It's fun though, eh? It's good, bro. Oh shit. Just got my glasses.
Oh wait, you're recording the shit. I look like an idiot.
I got that up a pump, but I can be fireball, diddly bum. Here I come, so Peter Piper. I'm hyper than Pinocchio's nose, cause I'm a supercalifragilistic.
What's up, awesome people? This is Zaroon, and today we're here at Muskoka, Huntsville, Muskoka, and yeah, it's gonna give a tour of the place we got. Really beautiful place, like modern, you know, modern architecture. I think it's recently renovated too. But you go check out this place. It's beautiful, beautiful. Oh, yo, you gave me the wrong address. You snipped us.
Just follow my instructions. Why'd you listen to him?
Yeah, we're here.
You
You know where we
ended up on
were?
the other
We're on the
side.
other side of the lake. Yeah. So we got the wrong address. Then we're on the other side of the lake.
I specifically looked up stuff and then
And then our car is a sedan, so I wasn't used to the terrain. You know, rough roads and snow.
Yeah, but that's so cool. This is news to me. I love living like this.
My baby.
Come inside. Come inside. Come inside.
Upside down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fireplace too. You need a lighter for it.
Just only need it though.
I want my chocolate.
Ooh, look at that. You still have a school bag from Halloween.
There's downstairs too.
There is?
Yeah. This is one of the rooms. Oh, caribou. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Amazing. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And from outside, you can see there's a playground. Right over there. This is the other room. Bunk bed. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And it's the third bedroom. Let's go downstairs. Whoa. Pretty cool. Amazing. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Foosball table, ping pong table. Got some air hockey. Pretty nice, extra mattress too. That's amazing. This place is pretty good, and I think for 2 nights it's kind of expensive. Is in total with the with all the fees like cleaning fee and taxes and everything, it was like $1,000 for 2 nights. So that's pretty crazy. But just this area in general is pretty expensive, like Muskoka. And yeah, you guys seen the house too. That's why it's a little overpriced. That's what it is, bro. For a lot of people come, you know, everyone pitches in, so it's not expensive. It's a video, eh?
Oh, hi. Can you take pictures?
Cheese.
You show him the baby. Tell him about your baby. What happened to your baby at daycare?
You're hiding. Well, I'm gonna cut this.
Yeah. See how beautiful these are? These are probably from IKEA, but they look so nice.
Does anyone want pancakes?
You have that one.
Pancakes?
He's right.
That one.
This is a mic.
This is mine.
Job.
gonna
How
try
do you
this
say it in French?
My mom made this. Ground beef and cheese.
It's a little snack. Little snack
Pretty
is fun.
awesome.
You don't have to eat
Like,
until
you know
get
French?
Some spices.
because you're not going to do anything. Right? And that's nice. When'd you get this one? The nose one.
It's really good. Really good.
Am I in the background of you in there?
It stands out though. Who's this one?
Who's this?
Who's this? What
Say hi.
Lego.
Yeah, that's Layla.
Yeah.
Cheers. I'm gonna try these McDonald's pancakes.
You made
Hotcakes.
the water in me. I want to clean that if you guys are sure.
Sorry.
That'll be good. And it has a bathroom too.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna be big here. If you guys want that one, you can take that one.
I mean, I got kind of lazy, but I
Because I
couldn't
don't
find
know, like,
the proper pastry for it.
loves the bunk beds. Yeah? As long as you go to
Then you're gonna get all your hair back. Meanwhile, like every animal in like 2 kilometers can smell you.
Thank God, the cupcake.
Whoa, the pancakes really good.
Yeah, but the
They
dollars.
take you
And water.
in water.
Whoa.
What?
It has like beef and what's that?
Thing.
Mushrooms?
Mushrooms and what did you
Whoa.
put?
Onions.
That's pretty cool.
Chipotle
Different
pepper,
kind
which I
of
really
pastry.
love. I should have bought Chipotle pepper. Because I'm elevated, but I'm sitting with my legs crossed.
It's really cute.
Whoa. Wow, it's pretty good. Oh, yeah, it is. Like the one we had in Turkey.
Yeah, what was it called? Do you remember?
Try this tea right here. This is the best tea. Masala tea.
Oh.
There's some pharmacists there. There's another like.
Oh wow.
This is the company. Batsam. Batsam
Was it
masala tea.
covered?
Yeah.
And they gave you food and stuff?
Amazing.
How do you get that?
Man. The good thing is the fire starters are very flammable.
Amazing.
Let me have a fire extinguisher.
Why look like a Viking?
With my long hair?
And the first thing.
Fur coat?
Hello. Can I see the fire? It's night now. Yeah, I think summertime is amazing.
I guess that makes me
Chicken right here, it looks amazing.